Morning. Good morning. I am Lakshmipathy MG, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government First Grade College, Madhugiri, Tumkur District. So my title is Financial Accounting 2. Now I am discussing about session number 11, that is new chapter royalty accounts. In this session I am discussing about meaning of royalty, meaning of lessee, meaning of lesser, meaning of minimum rent, meaning of short workings, and meaning of recoupment of short workings. So these are the topics I am covering in session number 11. First, we know the introduction about royalty accounts. So what is royalty? Royalty is payable by a user to the owner of the property or something on which an owner has some special rights. A royalty agreement is prepared between the owner and the user of such property or rights. If a payment is made to purchase the right or property, that will be treated as capital expenditure instead of a royalty. So payment made by the lessee on account of a royalty is normal business expenditure and will be debited to the royalty account. It is a nominal account, and at the end of the accounting year, balance of royalty account need to be transferred to normal trading and profit and loss account. So royalty based on the production or output will strictly go to the manufacturing or production account. In this case, where royalty is payable on sales basis, it will be a part of the selling expenses. So next, royalty is an amount payable for utilizing the benefits of certain rights vested with some other person. Some people possess certain special rights over certain things. For example, a landlord possesses right over the mine in his land. The author of a book possesses right over his book. The owner of these rights can use the rights themselves or lease it to others. When the rights are leased, the owner receives a consideration for the same, which is called a royalty. In royalty agreements, we come across certain special terms. It is better to know these terms before proceeding to the accounting treatment. The special terms are royalty, minimum rent account, short workings, and recouping of short workings. So, first we know the meaning of royalty. Royalty is a periodical sum based on output or sale payable by the lessee to the lessor for having utilized the rights of the lessor. The person who makes the payment to the owner of the asset is known as lessee, and the owner of the asset to whom the payment is made is known as lessor. Next, what is the what is the meaning of lease? So the person who takes out the special right from its owner on lease for consideration is called as lessee. Is called as lessee. He is also called as tenant. Next, who is the lessor or who is lessor? The owner of the asset to whom the payment is made is known as lessor. So he is also called as landlord. So the owner of the asset to whom the payment is made is known as lessor. He is also called as landlord. Next, what are the types of royalty? So royalty may be classified into three types. One is copyright, another one is mining right, so another one is patent royalty. Copyright royalty, mining royalty, patent royalty. What is copyright? So copyright provides a legal right to the author of his books the photographer on his photographs, or any such kind of intellectual works. So, copyright royalty is payable by the publisher, that is lessee, of a book to the author, that is lessor of that book, or to the photographer based on the sale made by the publisher or lessee. The second one is mining royalty. Mining royalty. Lessee of a mine or quarry pays royalty to lessor of the mine or quarry, which is generally based on the output basis. So another one is patent royalty. Patent royalty is paid by the lessee to lessor on the basis of output or production of the respective goods. So what are the basis of royalty? In case of the patent, publisher of the book pays royalty to the author of the book on the basis of number of books sold. So holder of patent gets royalty on the basis of output, and mine owner gets royalty on the basis of production. The following are the important terms which are used in royalty agreements. So what is royalty? Royalty is a periodic payment which may be based on a sale or output is called a royalty. Royalty is payable by the lessee of a mine to the lessor, or by publisher of the book to the author of the book, or by the manufacturer to the patentee. So who is a landlord? Landlords are the persons who have the legal rights on mine or quarry, or patent rights or copyrights. Who is tenant or lessee? An author or publisher, lessee or patenter who takes out rights, usually commercial or personal rights, from the owner on lease against the consideration is called a tenant or lessee. And who is lessor? The owner of the assets to whom the payment is made is known as lessor. He is also called as tenant. The next concept is minimum rent. What is minimum rent? Minimum rent is the guaranteed minimum amount which the lessee is required to pay to the lessor, irrespective of the output or sale in a particular period. So minimum rent is the guaranteed minimum amount which the lessee is required to pay to to the lessor irrespective of the output or sale in a particular period. It is also known as fixed rent, dead rent, ground rent. So according to the lease agreement, minimum rent, fixed rent or dead rent is a type of guarantee made by the lessee to the lessor. In case of shortage of output or production or sale, it means lessor will receive a minimum fixed rent irrespective of the reasons of the shortage of production. So payment of royalty will be minimum rent or actual rent, whichever is higher. For example, Messrs. Hyderabad Publication printed a book on Java on the minimum rent of rupees 10 lakhs per annum, royalty being payable at rupees 20 per book sold. In the first year of publication, Hyderabad Publication sold 75,000 copy of the books, and in the second year, number of sold books fell down to 45,000 only. So amount of royalty will be payable as under. In first year, 75,000 books into 20 rupees per books. So that is 15 lakhs. But what is the minimum rent? 10 lakhs. What is the royalty? 15 lakhs. But in second year, 45,000 books into 20 per books, 9 lakh. What is the royalty? Is 9 lakh. So 10 lakhs minimum rent. What is the short workings? So this way, royalty agreements are equally associated with a clause that the lessee must pay a minimum amount irrespective of the volume of output or sales in a particular period. Such minimum amount is known as minimum rent, dead rent or fixed rent. So minimum rent becomes payable only when the royalty is less than the minimum rent. When the actual royalty is more than the minimum rent, then the minimum rent will be merged with the actual royalty. Next, we discuss about meaning of short workings. What is short workings? The excess of minimum rent or actual royalty of any particular year is called short workings. The excess of minimum rent over actual royalty of any particular year is called short workings. It is the difference of minimum rent and actual royalty is known as short workings, where payment of royalty is payable on the basis of minimum rent due to shortage in the production or sale. For example, if calculated royalty is rupees 9 lakh as per the books based on the above example, but the royalty is payable is rupees 1 lakh as per the minimum rent. So short workings will be rupees 1 lakh, that is 1 lakh minus 9 lakh, 1 lakh minus 9 lakh. Next, the excess of minimum rent over actual royalty is called short workings. The excess is called short working for the lease and called short working suspense for the lessor. Short working is treated as an asset by the lessee, and short working suspense is treated as liability by the lessor. Next, ground rent. The rent paid to the landlord for the use of land or surface on the yearly or half-yearly basis is known as ground rent or surface rent. Next, what do you mean by recoupment or recovery of short workings? Recoupment of short workings refers to recovering the short workings of any year from the surplus royalty of the succeeding year. So it may contain in the royalty agreement the excess of minimum rent paid over the actual royalty, that is short workings, may be recoverable in the subsequent years. So when the royalty is in excess of the minimum rent is called the right of recoupment of short workings. Right of recoupment will be decided for the fixed period or for the floating period. When the right of recoupment is fixed for the certain starting years from the date of royalty agreement, it is said to be fixed or restricted. On the other hand, when the lessee is eligible to recoup the short workings in next 2 or 3 years from the year of its commencement, it is said to be floating. So short workings will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet up to the allowable year of recouping. After that, it will be transferred to profit and loss account after the expiry of allowable period. Lease premium, an extra payment in addition to royalty, if any, paid by the lessee to lessor is called a lease premium, and will be treated as capital expenditure, and it will be written off on yearly basis through profit and loss account as per suitable method. So short workings can be recovered in the following ways: fixed recoupment, floating recoupments, and recoupment within the lifetime of the lease. So fixed recoupment, when the recoupment is permitted only over a fixed or stipulated period, it is called a fixed recoupment or fixed recovery. Second one is floating recoupment, when the recoupment is permitted for a subsequent period following the year of short workings. It is called a subsequent recoupment or floating recoupment or floating recovery. So recoupment within the lifetime of the lease, when the recoupment is permitted for the lifetime of the lease, that is no restriction of time for recoupment of short workings. And stoppage of work. Sometimes there may be stoppage of work due to conditions behind control like strike, floods, etc. In this case, minimum rent is required to be revised as provided in the agreement. Revision of the minimum rent will be reduction of minimum rent in the proportion of the stoppage of work on the basis of fixed percentage by a fixed amount in the year of stoppage. Next, try yourself. In this session, some revision, what we learned. So we know the meaning of royalty. Royalty is the periodical consideration or payment based on output or sale made by one person called a lessee to another person called a lessor for taking out on lease special rights vested in the lessor. So in order to get minimum amount in the year of low output, royalty agreement is associated with a clause is known as minimum rent. The excess of minimum rent over actual royalty is known as short workings. It can be recouped either as fixed or floating or recoupment within the lifetime of the lessee. These are the references we are using. By presenting these informations. Thank you very much.